I work with Daily Harvest. I'm the Supplier Quality Manager. I got to come in at a time where we were really comfortable with how we were going to be using TraceGains. The bulk of what I do is reviewing documentation to make sure that our suppliers are compliant in all the ways that we need them to be. Now we have 17 required documents. To be able to have all of them in one place instead of having to go multiple locations to find them has been a real winner. I was really pleased with being able to see the organizational aspect of TraceGains and then being able to then take that a step farther and use them for reporting purposes. The whole reason why we moved to TraceGains was because we didn't know what documents suppliers were missing at any given time until we went through all of the different files and folders. Without the ability to quickly click into a supplier and identify which documents were missing, we could make choices and decisions regarding our suppliers that could be detrimental to our business. Without the ability to easily access documents organized by supplier by item, I would lose maybe 50% of my ability to get things accomplished day to day. One of the biggest ways that TraceGains has helped Daily Harvest is we've been able to utilize our supply chain team to help our food safety team by gathering those documents, easily being able to have those conversations with the suppliers so that we can save ourselves a few minutes here and there and having those conversations and just accessing the documents. It has saved the food safety team in particular. I can't even begin to imagine how much time, but enough that it is far worth any of the effort put into it. But it's also saved our supply chain team quite a bit of time as they're no longer having to manually go in and have those deep digs to see how they can help us. It's as easy as a couple of clicks. One of the biggest parts of my job is identifying how we're going to go about prioritizing suppliers for audits to make sure that they are who we want to be sourcing from. By being able to use the risk assessment and Market Hub to do mapping, that has saved me the trouble of having to plot out all of these folks so that I know how to maximize my time when I'm on audits. So being able to have that mapping function and associating that with the risk assessment has really allowed me to dig in a little bit deeper, better prioritize my time, and then save my company some money and some travel and time expense. The continuous improvement has been a really great surprise for us. TraceGains seems to be always pushing forward in some element of their tool. That allows us to unlock more capabilities and save us more time and effort. Before TraceGains, we had no ability to easily understand what level of completion our suppliers had as far as documents on either the supplier level or the item level. So this has completely unlocked our ability to easily understand that metric. Daily Harvest is all about bringing the very best ingredients to our customers. Market Hub has allowed us to create redundancy we didn't know we were capable of creating. Opening up new opportunities for ingredients is opening up new opportunities for recipes and new products for our customers to enjoy. It is giving us the ability to do a better job of taking care of food so that we can take care of our customers. Something that we have had to work through in the past is being able to validate our suppliers so that we can validate the ingredients and be able to give our culinary team a better storehouse of ingredients to use to create fabulous recipes for our customers. By being able to validate our suppliers more quickly, more thoroughly, unlock those opportunities with them, we've been able to unlock better ingredient options and again, broaden our opportunities for our recipes. It has so many different functions. There's a function that works for whatever problem you're trying to solve. I would encourage anybody to continue to dig through and see what other problems they didn't know they needed solving that TraceGains has a solution for. It does what the other tools can't or are not functioned for, so it's a unique product for a unique type of work that we're doing.